Hello everybody, it's Brian for jailbreakzone.com, and today I'm going to finally be doing my tutorial on how to take the stock applications from your iPhone and put them onto your iPad. You do not need a computer at all you need is an iPhone and an iPad. And you don't even need a Wi-Fi network, to be honest. So to sort of prove that, all I'm going to do is turn on internet tethering on my iPhone 4. And I'm going to connect my iPad to my iPhone. And it's going to create a little local Wi-Fi network. And because of that, I could easily set up a little file server on here, and I could access the files on my iPad. So, all you need to do is, of course you need to be jailbroken, and you need to have iFile installed onto your iDevice. And you also need a way to download files on your iPad. So for that, I recommend getting Safari Download Manager. So on your iPad, go ahead and open up Safari and just leave it there. And on your iPhone 4, go ahead and open up iFile. And basically, the applications that I'm going to be transferring over, one of them is going to be, I'm going to be transferring over clock, calculator, and stocks. I tried voice memos and weather, but those two crash when you open it. Don't know why. It doesn't really matter, but these three are the only ones you really need. So on your iPhone, go ahead and open up iFile. And then you need to navigate all the way to the root, and then you need to go to Applications. Tap on the Edit button, and you need to tap on the apps that you want to back up. So I want to choose Calculator, I want Clock, which would be Mobile Timer, and I also want to use Stocks. So there should be a button at the bottom bar which lets you take these files and put them into a zip. So go ahead and do that. And once they are finished zipping up, go ahead and start your start up your web server by tapping on, once I get this going, you need to tap on this icon here and it will start your web server. Okay, so that is up, and I need to get the proper IP address of my iPhone 4 because for whatever reason it just, well, we'll see. Sometimes iFile gives you the wrong IP address for whatever reason. So on your iPad you need to type in the IP address. In this case it is 192.168.19.1, port 10,000. And I made a mistake. And here we go. So on your iPad, choose Applications, go and find calculator.zip, and go ahead and download it. You can see the status with Safari Download Manager, and I'm using this on a local network created from the iPhone 4 over to the iPad. I'm not connected to my router or anything else. So once you do that, you could go ahead and close out of Safari on your iPad, and you could also go ahead and delete the zip file that you made on your iPhone. You could go back to whatever folder you were at, and you could go ahead and turn your Wi-Fi network off. Now you can see that I already have Stocks, which opens up. I also have Clock, as well as Calculator. All of these are working properly through Retina Pad, which makes it so that the pixel doubled images show up instead of just making it all blurry and stuff. So I already have the three applications on here, so what I'm going to do is delete them, and then I'm going to respring. So Calculator, Stocks, and Mobile Timer. I'm just going to go ahead and delete those, and then I'm going to go ahead and do a quick respring. And my iPad is running iOS 4.3 Beta 1, so that's why it goes to the right screen, or the white screen when respringing. And you can see that the applications are gone off of my springboard. There's 3 empty spaces. So now what you need to do is go to iFile, and then you need to go and find your downloaded folder, or downloaded file, which in this case it's calculator.zip. You need to cut it and go to your applications and paste it. And then you need to tap on it, and you get two options, Zip Viewer and Unarchiver. unarchiver, it automatically unzips everything, but it prints out every file that it unzips, so it takes a lot longer to unzip everything. So go to Zip Viewer, then it's going to go ahead and get the list of files, and then click on this button, or tap on this button in the lower right, and extract all files. It will keep the folder structure as well as the permissions from your iPhone. So now we have calculator, mobile, timer, as well as stock, or stocks. So you could go ahead and get rid of the zip file, and you could go ahead and respring your iPad, and the 3 applications will show up. So here they are on my second page, and you could go ahead and move them around to wherever you would like. And there you go, and you could go ahead and tap on it and it opens up. So here is the Dow Jones Industrial Average for today. Here we have the 2-year graph. We could go to just today. Did pretty well today. You could go ahead and open up the clock application. Everything in here works fine. You could also set your timer, stopwatch, or alarm clock, and it will work. You can see the little icon in the upper right corner of my screen. And of course we have calculator, that works just fine as well. So a couple of you guys requested this video, and here it is. It's really simple, and you don't even need a computer at all to go through the process. So hopefully you guys won't have any questions on this, so that's it. If you do happen to have any questions, which I hope you shouldn't, then you can go ahead and leave them below. Some applications are not going to work, they're just going to crash when you load them, regardless of whatever you set the permissions to, so that's just the way it is. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.